Making your spouse your best friend, the benefits and how to achieve it. Welcome to our video on the benefits of making your spouse your best friend. Building a strong friendship with your spouse is one of the most important aspects of a successful and fulfilling marriage. In this video, we will be discussing the benefits of having your spouse as your best friend, such as increased intimacy, better communication, and stronger emotional connections. Let's get started. Number 1. Increased intimacy. One of the main benefits of making your spouse your best friend is increased intimacy. A strong friendship allows for deeper levels of trust, vulnerability, and emotional connection, leading to a stronger and more fulfilling relationship. Number 2. Better communication. Another benefit of making your spouse your best friend is better communication. A strong friendship allows for open and honest communication, which is essential in any relationship. Number 3. Stronger emotional connections. Having your spouse as your best friend allows for stronger emotional connections. Sharing similar interests, values, and goals allows for a deeper understanding and appreciation of each other. Number 4. Shared support. Having your spouse as your best friend means having a partner in life who is there for you emotionally, physically, and mentally. Shared support can help you through difficult times and help you to build a stronger relationship. Number 5. Overcoming challenges. No relationship is perfect, and there will be challenges along the way. However, having your spouse as your best friend allows you to navigate those challenges together, with the support and understanding of someone who knows you well. Number 6. Increased happiness. Making your spouse your best friend can lead to increased happiness and satisfaction in your relationship. Studies have shown that people who have a close and supportive friendship with their partner are more likely to report higher levels of happiness and overall well-being. Tips for building and maintaining a strong friendship. So, how can you build and maintain a strong friendship with your spouse? Some tips include setting aside regular time for each other, expressing gratitude and appreciation, and actively working on building trust and communication. In conclusion, making your spouse your best friend can lead to a stronger, more fulfilling and happier relationship. Remember to make time for each other. Communicate effectively. And always work on building a strong foundation in your relationship. Remember to take care of yourself and good luck. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on relationship and self-improvement. Thanks for watching.